Good afternoon, and welcome to our midday meditation for Tuesday of Holy Week, the sounds of Holy Week.
Marie, pleine de grâce, je vous salue, Seigneur est avec vous. Je vous salue, vous êtes bénie entre toutes les femmes, et Jésus, le Seigneur est avec vous. Vous êtes sainte Marie, Mère de Dieu, priez pour nous Jésus, le fruit de vos entrailles, et à l'heure de notre mort. Sainte Marie, et alors je vous salue, Marie, pleine de grâce, je vous Seigneur est avec vous. Vous êtes bénie, le Seigneur de votre part, et vous êtes bénie, le fruit de vos entrailles. Je vous salue, et bénie Jésus, je vous salue, Marie, Mère de Dieu, priez pour nous pauvres pécheurs.
Sit down and be quiet.
This is the week that turns all endings into new beginnings. And these are the sounds of Holy Week. The streets of Jerusalem were filled with new sounds. the clip-clop of donkeys' hooves, the cheering of crowds, some suspicious whispering behind hands. The temple in Jerusalem was filled with new sounds, the sounds of pigeons cooing, sheep bleating, coins being rattled, the gasps of breath from onlookers. The Jerusalem Passover was filled with new sounds, the crunch of marching feet made by soldiers on the move, the sound of people telling each other to keep quiet as secret deals are done, the sound of a money bag being placed into someone else's hands. A Jerusalem house in the back streets was filled with new sounds, the noise of a spoon scraping a wooden platter during a meal, the sound of drink being poured into a cup, the sound of matzah being cracked, the sound of a door slamming shut. The Jerusalem courts were filled with new sounds, the sounds of clenched fists thumping on tables and angry voices, the sounds of hands being washed in water, the sound of feet dragged across a gravel on a slow march to death. The hill outside Jerusalem was filled with new sounds, the banging in of a nail into wood, the sound of dice being rolled, the sound of some cloth being torn, and the sound of thunder and rain. And then there were no more sounds from Jerusalem, only silence. This is the week that turns all endings into new beginnings, but not yet. Before the sound that would go out into all the world, there was just silence, and the world held its breath. Amen.